The following film is the video portion of an E6-4 lesson. E6-4 is the computerized curriculum designed for homeschools, Christian schools, family worship, Sunday schools, and church Bible study groups. For more information, visit the website at www.e6-4.com.
A fraction is a part of a whole thing, or part of a set of things. Today we are going to learn how to divide a whole thing into fractions. Mom baked a pie. If she divides the pie into 2 equal pieces, it will look like this. Now the pie has 2 equal parts. 1, 2. If Mom gives you this piece, then you will have one of the 2 parts of the pie. Remember, a fraction is a part of a whole thing. So what fraction of the pie do you have? You have one of 2 parts. This fraction is called 1/2. It is written 1 over 2. 1 over 2 is 1/2. If Mom divides the pie into 3 equal parts, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3. If Mom gives you this piece, then you will have one of the 3 parts of the pie. What fraction of the pie do you have? You have 1 of 3 parts. This fraction is called 1/3. It is written 1 over 3. 1 over 3 is 1/3. If Mom divides the pie into 4 equal parts, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. If Mom gives you this piece, then you will have one of the 4 parts of the pie. What fraction of the pie do you have? You have one of 4 parts. This fraction is called 1/4. It is written 1 over 4. 1 over 4 is 1/4. If Mom divides the pie into 5 equal parts, it will look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If Mom gives you this piece, then you will have one of the 5 parts of the pie. What fraction of the pie do you have? You have one of 5 parts. This fraction is called 1/5. It is written 1 over 5. 1 over 5 is 1/5. Now it's time to do the question sets. Each question will show a picture of Mom's pie. It will be divided into halves, thirds, fourths, or fifths. Beside each picture is a column of letters. Letter A is for 1/2. Letter B is for 1/3. Letter C is for 1/4. And letter D is for 1/5. Beside these fractions is an answer box. If the hand is pointing to 1/2 of the pie, then select A in the answer box, because A is for 1/2. If the hand is pointing to 1/3 of the pie, then select B in the answer box, because B is for 1/3. If the hand is pointing to 1/4 of the pie, then select C in the answer box, because C is for 1/4. If the hand is pointing to 1/5 of the pie, then select D in the answer box, because D is for 1/5. Repeat these question sets until you can quickly complete them correctly. Then take the final exam.
The film you have just watched is the video portion of an E6-4 lesson. E6-4 is the software curriculum that provides education with a strong biblical worldview. Be sure to visit the website at www.e6-4.com E6-4.com and sign up for our newsletter to stay informed about new lessons available or special events. One of the many features of E6-4 is the Student-Directed Learning Mode, where the student is free to choose from dozens of lessons in over 20 categories, including math, reading, history, science, and the Bible. Another feature is the Father-Directed Learning Mode, where a father or classroom teacher can create an individualized lesson plan for each student, and the software will teach the student one section at a time, keeping records of his progress. A third feature is the Family Worship Mode, which is ideal for family worship, school chapel services, family Sunday school classes, or church Bible study groups. Once you set up your lesson plan, this mode offers instruction and catechism, one lesson section at a time. Reminds you to do prayer, thanksgiving and praise, Bible memorization, and includes a complete music section with songs and hymns for worship. Each song can be played with or without the vocals. Another E6-4 feature is the competition mode, where you create a lesson plan and the program randomly selects question sets from the lessons to create a fun and exciting competition, which can be as small as the competition our family does every day in our daily family worship, to as large as the Southeast Bible competition we conducted with multiple rounds and prizes, including a new laptop computer and tickets to a major theme park. Another feature is Apples of Gold, a computerized parlor game for more advanced students, where two clue givers devise clues to help their teams come up with a phrase from the Bible. To purchase the E6-4 software, visit the website at www.e6-4.com. To schedule the Homeschool Advantage to come to your church or homeschool conference and teach your people how to use computer software to build strong biblical households, contact Captain Bret at 678-570-2195 or email terabenth@inbox.com.